What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Gorilla Tag with handcuffs. Alright, I want to prove it. Look. Right here. It's so hard to move my hands, bro. Like, I dropped my controls. I'm moving my hands right now. Bro, give me a break, at least. Guys, like and subscribe for a part 2 on Animal Company. Like Swat did. Swat did a video on Animal Company doing this. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't move. I can't move. I have handcuffs on. It's so annoying. I have handcuffs. Jeez. Having handcuffs and playing Gorilla Tag is so hard. My hands hurt. I mean my arms. My arms hurt because I have handcuffs. Ow.
No.
Oh, my arm is starting to hurt. What's happening? Ah. I can only move like this because I have handcuffs. Bro, I regret doing this video. I regret it.
Wait, you're making
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video, but Gorilla Tag, but I have handcuffs. Gorilla Tag, but I have handcuffs on right now.
Wait, where did you get those handcuffs?
Totally not from the police.
Is that true?
No. I got it from the store a couple years ago.
No!
And now I'm doing the video with it. Bro, my arms hurt so much because of handcuffs, bro. Ow. Bro, look. This is proof that I have handcuffs on. I can't even move my hands.
You can only move like this.
Yeah, I know. I can only move like that. Like, look. I can't even move my arms anywhere else. I'm trying my hardest.
Oh, there's like, if a lava monkey is chasing you, you're cooked.
Yeah.
What?
I can only move like this.
It's like the lava monkey is Gordon Ramp. Bro, you're cooked. Tell me when you're cooked.
You can only move like this.
I'm 3 foot on my boundary, bro. Shit, come on.
Ow, my hands!
Now, monkey's forest.
I regret doing this, YouTube.
I'm literally about what?
I regret doing this.
You're lying. You're literally lying. You wanna know how I know that?
Okay. What?
You wanna know?
What?
Because you're freaking saying that. Bro's lying. He could have actually said something at first. But first,
I'm actually doing a YouTube video right now, and I have handcuffs on right now.
with you.
I have handcuffs.
Do you know? Did you know my uncle is actually a police officer? I don't care.
Bro, I can't even put my hands above my head, bro. I can't put my head. I can't put my hands above my head.
Do you think I should make a video right now?
Yeah.
Show it to my uncle.
Hold on. High five me with handcuffs.
I don't want
I have
him to
handcuffs on right now. It hurts.
My uncle is a couple states away from me. Well, hours away from me, not just a couple of states. I'm kind of in the middle of the United States, but
I'm in South.
come to my location.
I'm pretty sure I'm in North or South.
What?
North or South. I am in North, I'm pretty sure, or South. Bro, I can't even get up there.
That was so clunky.
I can't get up there.
I almost dropped my controllers while getting up there.
Thank you.
And then, like the things that you put around your waist came off.
Okay, I made
And
it.
then
I made it.
grabbed it with my feet.
I made it.
So lucky. It's easy. Pretty easy.
Well, not for me. I would have handcuffs. Well, I can't even branch. If I wanted to branch, I can't. Like, look. I can't even jump on the tree, bro. It's not because my skills. Maybe it
do
is.
that yet, or do I? I just learned that skill. I'm new to Gorilla Tag actually. I got my VR 2.5 weeks ago.
Oh, come on, I'll go on Christmas.
It's Wednesday today. In like 3 days. 3 days will be my 3-week anniversary of Gorilla Tag.
I've been playing for 6 weeks. No, not 6 weeks. 6 months because I had it since Christmas. I have handcuffs.
Bro has handcuffs on.
I know.
Did you escape prison?
Oh yeah.
You escaped prison.
Yeah.
Oh my. I got my hand. Actually,
No.
Oh. Like
I can't even move.
Prison, I would call my uncle. And he's bringing you back to prison. But no.
I can't move.
Oh, he's the lava monkey.
I can't move.
I'm gonna
I
give
was handcuffed.
You, party hat. I'm gonna
I can only move like this.
Tag me. I'll go easy on you. Going easy. Oh, good job. I want easy on you.
Ow! Hold on. Let me eat my crustable.
Hey, that guy's Santa. Party hat. He gave you your VR 6 months ago. I'm coming. Here. Up here. Look up. Good job.
I can't move my hand.
Someone just up there chilling. He's a chill guy. He's just chill.
I can't move my hands.
That guy has handcuffs on.
Yes, I do. He is actually right.
I help you.
I need to untighten my freaking handcuffs. It hurts.
Hey, you, party hat. Try and get this bug.
Okay.
I missed it. I mean, it's Santa, bro?
I got
Oh,
him.
good job.
I got her. I can't pinch climb. I can't pinch climb. Ow!
This guy isn't getting tagged. Whenever I touch him, I feel a buzz. Did you hear that? He just popped in midair. But does that normally happen?
I can only turn like this. A snap turn. This hurts.
I'm gonna lock it for you.
Huh?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pressing it in the butt.
My handcuffs are right here where my finger is.
Do you think you could get to the top of the with the handcuffs on?
Huh?
Do you think you could get to the top of the tree trunk with the handcuffs?
All the way up the stump.
What is threats? Has anybody heard of a thing called threats?
Okay. I'll raise you to the top of the tree trunk.
I'm on quest 2!
Quest 2? Bro,
Quest 2!
you're on quest 2.
That does not make
I'm on quest 3, yes.
Quest 3 F2.
Don't tag us for racing. Please don't tag me. I have handcuffs. Please don't. Bro, this guy cheated.
Explain to me word for word.
Bro.
I'll help you get to the top. If
Wow,
you get to the top,
wow,
that
bro
will be
just put me off.
Dang it, I fell.
I like the way you can explode. You know what threats are?
I
You did not threaten him. I've been in the lobby.
I hit my hand on the wall and somehow tied me.
I'm here.
And this kid is accusing me for
How far do you
I
at?
don't even know what that is.
I said, baby, cause I know. Baby, cause they leave me when you say me.
No, right.
I'm branching. I'm doing it.
Okay, good job.
That's all
Ah.
I heard from you. What even is that?
I can barely even move my hands.
Whoa.
No. Ooh. That was a close one. Oh, I made it. It feels like I'm driving.
I'm jealous.
It feels like I'm driving because my hands just move like this.
You'll get to the top. You can do it. You can do it. Shout out to Party Hat. You can do it.
I made it.
Good job.
Yeah.
Great job. Wait for me.
Ouch. I dropped my controller on my foot.
No. I accidentally keep walking.
What if I can wall run?
And somehow... Because I hit my wall. I went up on my wall and it hit
Try wall climb.
I'm wall running.
Doing it.
Oh my god, I'm getting accused for nothing.
I was wall running.
For something that's making me faster. That's crazy.
Oh my god. Party Hat.
I'm coming up.
Predicting bullshit.
Party Hat.
You're predicting
Good job.
some bullshit. That's all I know.
Oh, his ankles.
Ow.
Yo, I just stole his ankles.
I can make it. That's good.
Yo, good game, bro.
What does it do?
Come here.
So you're trying to stick tack? Extend your arms.
Let's see if I can friend you.
I literally hit my wall and you say,
Come on, come on. Alright, friend.
No.
yeah, my arm is so long, bro.
If I can...
How you do?
My
Bro,
arm is
stop.
so long. You know that?
Stop.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is. How can I do that on a I can hardly even reach my arm.
Oh, I added you.
What is your name?
Oh, I'm your first friend?
Yeah.
I'm your first friend?
No,
You're
we
my
can't.
second friend.
We can't hear him.
Are you my first friend?
I don't know.
Am I your first friend on it?
Nah. I have thousands of friends on that.
You're my second friend on it. Second friend.
Bro, I need to take a break. I'll put my handcuff off. Only one, though. So it's not cheating. I need to take a break. Oh my gosh, my arm's fresh now.
Who's happy about this?
Says that, but I have to do it for like an hour.
Like this is gonna do a difference.
You wanna play Gorilla Games?
This is a difference.
Gorilla game?
Somehow I'm using some sort of
Yeah.
threat thing. I
It's
don't
like
even know what that is.
Squid Game, but in Girl Tag.
Sure.
You know what that's like difference?
What if we're doing?
I have no idea what that is. I hit my wall. I hit my wall.
Gorilla game. Where is Gorilla game? No. No play. Hang out. Nah. Custom game. Gorilla game. Gadagadi, gadagadak. Gorilla game. Gorilla games. Yo! Hi.
But how do you get in?
How do you get in? I have handcuffs.
Why?
I don't know. I'm doing it for a video.
Yeah, but where's your camera?
I don't know. Ogo na go di piasanita.
Yeah, but then how do you lose?
Huh?
But then how do you lose?
Probably if you rage quit. No, no. Bro, I went it on umbrella.
Shut up, like you.
No, I regret doing this. Wait, what'd you get? What'd you get? I got circle. I got circle.
Yeah, I got star. I got star.
Star is so hard, bro. Special umbrella. Star. Give me star. Got triangle.
I'm back at the starting.
You're back at starting?
Yeah.
How?
There's somebody else in.
There is.
Yeah.
Where?
You already did it. You can just walk when she's looking. See?
Ah. Yo.
Yo, I got another.
I got star. I got umbrella. Can you hear the handcuffs?
No.
Bro, I'm literally chained up with the handcuffs.
No, I was doing so good. Meow. Meow. But I think I know how to do it. So, you go this way. No! And then you gotta. Oh, how are you doing that, Orange?
I don't know. I'm just doing it with handcuffs.
Yo, how did Black do it?
I don't know. I guess you don't go. You don't.
Where
You,
way you wanna go?
you sound like Jagger.
U-turn.
You sound.
I went on.
He sounds like Jagger.
Yo! Who, me?
No, Black.
Jagger, why should you get fainter, painter? It's because y'all make the world go great again.
And I'll get the free bucks and home.
Among Us.
Among Us.
Got black. I got black. No, let's go.
Alright, that is the end of the video. Please make me do a part 2.
Wait.
I don't really want to do a part 2 because
No,
it's not going to be fun for me. It's going to be fun for y'all. And yeah, subscribe. Oh my
Yo,
God.
why are you PB?